Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to test your fuses with simple multimeter. Turn it onto the Essant logo. Open the fuse box. Right there you have two ports for which is bare metal, and connect it. If it beeps, then your fuses are fine. If there's no sound, then it means fuse is broken. You can quickly test every fuse within minutes. Gonna go pick one. So that was quick and easy. Thanks for watching.